Hi friends, Tracy.bish here, Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Australia. Welcome to Tracy's Sunday Challenge for the 14th of January. This week's challenge is shapes, and I'm super excited to be sharing with you the Watercolor Melon Stamp Set, which is a free celebration item that you can choose with a $90 order up until the end of February in my online store. I saw this stamp set and I thought shape straight away, so it was an easy challenge for me. I'm using thick basic white cardstock. I've just cut a sheet of A4 in half. I'm scoring it in half again, and then we have our card base ready to go. This is a single layer card, very simple to create, and single layer cards can be hard, but this one is so simple. I'm using Melon Mumbo ink and Granny Apple Green as my inks. I'm also bringing in Shaded Spruce in a little while. So we're going to do some quick stamping. Now there are 9 stamps in this free stamp set, which, did I say before, if you place a $90 order, you can choose this as your free gift. There's many different items that you can choose from that are free. So go over and have a look. You can see both catalogues, both the mini catalogue and the celebration catalogue, over in my online store if you haven't got a copy already. So I've stamped my large watermelons. I've also added, that wedge of watermelon and the little slices. I've come in with my Memento Tuxedo black ink and added a few of those little seeds, because what's a watermelon without seeds? It's not a seedless one, everyone. This one's not a seedless one. And then I thought, I want to add some of those leaves there. Now, I wish I hadn't. And hear me out. I ended up picking Shaded Spruce as my colour, which I think Shaded Spruce was great. Great choice of colour. But I really didn't like my placement of these leaves. What I think would look really good would be to stamp these leaves in the background and then maybe pop the watermelon up in front. I think that would look really good, but just stamping them over the top, maybe if I'd placed it so it was off and onto the white, so sort of sitting out a little bit, maybe that would look good. I'm not really sure, but I went with this. I'd done it, didn't like it, but you know what? Sometimes that happens in crafting. I'm also using the Hooray for Surprises stamp set. There is a bundle. You can find it on page 13 of the mini catalogue, but I really like the sentiments in this one. Now, this is an interactive bundle, so I highly recommend, if you haven't seen this, go over and have a look in the catalogue. It's going to be a must because it's so much fun. It's interactive. There's lots of fun there. So I had chosen the Make-A-Wish sentiment to pop down. So this is a single layer card. There is no pop-up. There is no adding of anything at all. One layer card. Very simple. Very easy to do. And I've just stamped my sentiment with the Melon Mumbo. As you can see, this is such a simple card. I wanted to make it a birthday card because, you can never have too many birthdays, and, a summery birthday with watermelons is really great. I really like this stamp set though. I think, if you are a scrapbooker, this would really work well, because how many summer themed projects or pages do you do? And you've got different watermelons. You've got whole watermelons, you've got slices, you've got wedges, you've got all sorts of things, so it's a really great one. I'm also adding some Wink of Stella over the top just to try and blend that in a little bit. Now, if you would like to join in this week's Tracy Sunday Challenge, I would love it if you did just place a photo of your project over on my business Facebook post, so the challenge post, and share your creativity. That would be fantastic. If you're in need of any of the supplies that I've used on today's card, you can purchase them in my online store. There is a link in the description of this video, so you can go over and do that. Also, if you've enjoyed today's video, I would love it if you left me a comment, like the video, subscribe to the video, all those great things. Maybe share the video as well. Alright everyone, enjoy. Bye.